everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a little unnerving, the world of AI image generation. Specifically, we'll be taking a hard look at Google's latest Pixel phones and some of the eyebrow-raising capabilities they've packed into these devices. Now, the new Pixel 9 lineup is definitely impressive in terms of hardware. We're talking top-of-the-line cameras, sleek designs, all the things you'd expect from a flagship phone. But what really sets these phones apart is their focus on AI, particularly with their new Gemini AI chip. This thing is a powerhouse, and it's unlocking some pretty incredible features. One of the most talked about features is Pixel Studio, Google's answer to AI image generation. Think of it like having a mini art studio in your pocket. You type in a text prompt describing what you want to see, and boom, Pixel Studio uses its AI magic to bring your vision to life. And it can be pretty impressive, creating everything from photorealistic landscapes to abstract art pieces. But that's where things take a turn, because while Pixel Studio can create some amazing, harmless stuff, it turns out it can also generate some pretty messed up content. We're talking cartoon characters with guns, depictions of drug use, even sensitive topics like school shootings. And it's not like these are obscure, hard-to-replicate prompts. We're talking simple requests that, frankly, should raise red flags. And if that wasn't concerning enough, Google also introduced a feature called Reimagine. Now, on the surface, Reimagine sounds pretty cool. It lets you add objects and elements to existing photos, kind of like augmented reality. Want to add a rainbow to that photo of your kid at the park? Sure. But some tech reviewers decided to push the limits, and the results were unsettling, to say the least. They were able to realistically insert things like bombs, corpses, and other disturbing imagery into everyday photos. And it's so seamless, so convincing, that it's becoming incredibly difficult to tell what's real and what's AI-generated. Look, I'm all about pushing the boundaries of technology, but this is where I start to get deeply concerned. We're talking about tools that have the potential to generate incredibly harmful content, propaganda, fake news, even material that could be used for harassment or extortion. And the scary part is it's becoming easier and easier to do this, often with just a few taps on your phone. Now, to their credit, Google has acknowledged these concerns. They've said they're working on safeguards to prevent Pixel Studio and Reimagine from being used for malicious purposes. They've mentioned things like content moderation and restricting certain types of prompts. But the question remains, how effective will these measures actually be? And is it even possible to fully control something as powerful as AI? This whole situation raises some bigger questions about trust and online safety. If we're already at a point where it's difficult to discern real images from AI fabrications, what happens when this technology becomes even more advanced and widespread? This is something that everyone, from policymakers to tech companies to everyday users like you and me, needs to be thinking about seriously. So, I want to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on all of this? Do you think Google's AI image generation tools have gone too far? Are you concerned about the potential for misuse? Let's discuss in the comments down below. This is a conversation that we need to be having, and I want to create a space where we can all learn from each other and share our perspectives. As always, I'm incredibly grateful for your support and for being a part of this community. I'm constantly learning and working to improve the quality of these videos, so your feedback is invaluable. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI deep dives, and share it with your friends. The more we talk about these issues, the better prepared we'll be to navigate the ever-evolving world of AI. Until next time, take care and stay curious.